everybody, this is Gurkov, coach for KTC Training Center. I'm here to give you bowling tips to work at home. The exercise I offer you today is good to improve your last step timing and feeling how to create more speed of the bowling ball by using your footwork and body muscles, not bowling arm. To start, you need a card and a plastic bottle. I use this piece of the wood to create kind of holder. And when I connect this card, bottle and this holder, I create a simple model of pendulum. One important thing, the light of the card must fit a player's arms. It should be even, because different players has different arm and timing of pendulum depending of how long is your arm. That's why you must create the model of the pendulum exactly the correct size for you. Okay, to start, after we did this, you can do this at home. It's a very simple model. To start, hold the cord close to your bowling shoulder. Tilt your body forward and a little bit to bowling size for create enough space here for swing the bottle. And a little bit bend your knees. Move your sliding foot a little bit forward. So, now we are ready to start the drill. Transfer your weight from one foot to another. It makes your body move forward and back. Repeat the movement a few times to feel how the model of the pendulum swings. And look, I don't use my hand, I don't use my arm for swing this pendulum. I use only my footwork and only body. Look at this. Next one. The rhythm of this movement must be the same as the rhythm of the pendulum. If you do it faster, it doesn't work. If you do it slow, it doesn't work too. Only if you do it in correct rhythm, you can accelerate this pendulum. And as a result, you start to feel the natural rhythm of your swing. So, I move forward and back, and I feel my swing. I feel my timing of the swing. You see, I can accelerate this. And now, exactly at the moment when the bottom of the bottom on the top of the backswing, make your last step. It looks like at this moment we start doing. It's really close to one-step drill. So let me show you how it's look like. I start create swing, and then at the moment when the bottle on the top of the backswing, I do my step. And you see what happens? I create acceleration. If my timing of my last step correct, if I start move forward exactly at the moment when bottle start move down, I can create acceleration using my footwork and using my body movement. If my timing wrong, it doesn't work. Let me show you. Let me show you how it looks like late timing. If I am in late timing, I move forward at the moment when bottle still move back. And as a result, it doesn't work. I cannot create acceleration. Next one. Let me show you how it looks like earlier timing. If I'm in early timing, it looks like this. You see, I deaccelerate the pendulum. Only if I'm in correct timing, I can create acceleration using my footwork. Look at this, and bam! As a result, bottle create a circle. That means I create acceleration. So, if your timing perfect, then the bottle make a circle on the last step. So, repeat this drill as many times as you want it, the more the better. Thank you. See you in Kegel.